Thank you for joining us today for another cat eye demonstration. This time we will be doing a silver Rockstar accent nail. The cat eye color we will be using is kind of a gunmetal gray at first, CE25. Once you do the magnet, it looks more of a black color. The silver is a Gelixir metallic silver, 096. And then this is a holographic silver glitter, super shiny. So, like we do on the rest of the colors, I did the first coat already. This was the first color I bought out of the cat eye collection. You can never go wrong with black. Even though it's more of a gunmetal, it was, I guess, their version of black. 20 seconds with the magnet and slowly raise. Flash cure in between the fingers so not to lose the magnetic line. I don't know how many videos I'll be able to do in one day anymore because my cuticles are getting jacked up. But the price we pay. 20 seconds on the magnet, starting low and raising up at the diagonal angle. Sometimes you can get a super crisp line and you're like, dang, that looks nice. And the next time you try to do one and you're like, what the heck happened? It looks all blurry. Don't be afraid to start over. I always do my Rockstars last so they don't stick to the rest of my fingers. This is a very popular New Year's Eve nail, black tie, wedding, just a nice evening out look. I'm going to do the flash cure, then I'm going to do a coat of the silver, and I'm going to sprinkle the glitter over the top. Again, that's how you do the Rockstar nail with the loose glitters. I usually get my loose glitters at any kind of a craft store. The nail supply stores may have glitters, but they're going to be so much more expensive, and the tiniest little, amounts. The craft stores, you can get a large amount and you really never have to get any again. I'm just kind of tapping the glitter over the nail. You don't really need a lot with this since it's silver over silver. You just want to get that accent there. You always want to scrape around the nail. Ah, I touched it. Scrape around the nail to make sure nothing's on the skin, and then a flash cure. When I do my Rockstar nails, I always do 2 top coats, usually a base coat first, cure it, then the top coat second, cure it. That way you get a nice level surface still, because the glitter can kind of make a rough surface. And there it is. I'm not really going to do the top coat for the videos because it still looks super shiny. So that's the Gelixir metallic silver with the silver holographic ring finger, and the cat eye Joya Mia CE25.